Welcome back, guys. Today we're at the Itch Factory and we haven't been itchy, what, 4 months?
Yeah, it's been a minute.
So we're here today and we're gonna start grinding on the boat and smoothing out all of the rough edges. Now it's about, what do you think, 15, 20 degrees
like
out?
20 degrees, yeah.
20 degrees out today. Luckily in the tent there's like a, what do you think?
Greenhouse effect on
Yeah,
it?
it's like a,
Warm.
I would almost say a 15 to 20 degree delta. We got the dogs going on today. Got Sausage over there. No, sorry, Sausage over there. And the new girl, Crazy Girl. But we got a couple errands we got to do. We got to go get some new respirators because we've been using those all summer. We also got to get a new shop vac and some lights in this thing. Right now we just ran an extension cord for power. It's probably not going to be enough power. We're eventually probably going to have to maybe set up like a 30 amp outlet.
Well, you know what? We'll run a service from the road to the tent. We'll pull a permit. We'll get a panel set up.
Yeah.
It'll be just itself.
And we'll use commercial power.
Yeah.
Instead of like residential.
Some three-phase.
Yeah, exactly, three-phase. So let's go take a look inside here. I actually took the top off of the boat. A little dark in here, but it's substantially warmer, and as you can see,
it's
the
moist.
Camera lens is already fogging up. So there's the boat. Now I don't know why one of our patches turned white, but yeah, I'm concerned about that. The other patches look pretty good, and we need to get all this leaves and stuff out. Unfortunately, I think there's also ice in the bottom of this. Today's a lot of prep work, but we also want to try to get some grinding in. You know, honestly, a lot of this logistic stuff probably could have been done at an earlier date, but we got it all now, and we got a whole soccer mom mobile full of stuff here. We got the lights we're going to be using. We got a grinder. Got the respirators, some plastic to cover some things, some more plastic, and our new shop vac. Say hello to the fam.
Hi.
All right, guys, check it out. Looks pretty good in here with the lights.
It's still a boat.
It's still a boat.
Just as I remember. I really don't know why that's so pale.
Yeah, that's a bit concerning, but I don't know. Maybe we just left a lot of PVA on it.
Everything else looks like I remember.
Right.
That's like a ghost.
All geared up, guys. We're gonna get started here. So just gonna hit it with a wire wheel, clean up the inside a little bit too with the vacuum, see if we can't get some of these leaves out of here. So let's get to it.
Jake's basically just been in there by himself because I've been running around like a chicken with his head's cut off. About to hop in there right now, and let's go take a look at what he's done. I can tell you're having a lot of fun today.
I am. I didn't miss this. Didn't miss this at all.
Does have to get done. It is stinky in here, but it looks pretty good. I mean, he's been working on that back left corner. Looks real nice and smooth. We gotta just do the rest of the boat. But I'm gonna hop in there now. Our setup's working. We got all sorts of power going through there. Got lights going. The vacuum is no longer new. So he's gonna vacuum that up. I'm gonna put my PPE on. So we're just gonna get to work. It's just gonna be time lapse, guys. We got a ton more grind to do. We're gonna get another grinder going, one that doesn't use batteries, and maybe keep the vacuum going too to reduce the dust. that bit, huh? Or
Me
that...
too, yeah. She was ripping through that the top coat too.
That's exactly how I want it to look, is like that. I got rid of all this.
That's the gel coat, so we have to get through that.
Yeah, I think so, or some sort of paint, you know? But that's what we want it to look like anywhere where we're, you know, there's some grooves in there, so eventually we'll have to sand those out. But for getting it smooth, that's perfect. Any bumps, any edges that you feel, you know, do you want me to grind or, yeah, I mean, whatever job you want to do, you can do. Does it feel a little bit less like dusty in here with this going?
Yeah, probably.
Probably, yeah, okay.
I mean, there was like an inch coating of it, like all over the side when I was done before.
So, yeah, I think it's good to have this running non-stop. I guess just work from the back of the boat forward, right? Let's just get the transom part done a little bit forward.
Maybe that's the play, like, try to get that as flat as possible, and then...
Yeah, I think next time we will have to run 2 cables, because when you turn this on and that, you can hear it go, woo! Oh, Lord.
What a day.
What a day, dude. It's a mess in there.
Oh, no.
All right.
It's cold. It's fiberglassy.
Dude, it's bad. The boat is just...
Cake, look at it.
I know.
Yeah, it's like textured.
It's white, dude. Everything in here is covered in fiberglass. We bought this thing today, less than like 5 hours ago, and it's just covered. That's it. That's really all we can show you because not much shows up. Like, yeah, it's smoother, guys. This is like a very boring, tedious process. We're gonna have to like hose this thing down. Just gotta put our nose on the grindstone every weekend and hope we don't get some sort of...
I don't want to touch that.
Sorry, bud. I don't feel any better, but using the corded grinder, much better. Whew. Another brisk morning. Today, Paul's gonna be coming over and we're gonna be getting to some grinding. Yesterday, obviously, we set up, maybe not obviously to you guys, probably was posted a week or a few days past, but we set up our outlets. They're working good. It's looking beautiful, holding steady. That was a great addition. Right now we're using Paulo's kerosene heater. As you can hear, that thing gets things toasty. I'm letting that run, and I've kind of placed it so that the back end of it is sucking in fresh air from the outside, blowing hot air in. Okay, we're all suited up. I got oversized gloves, and let's, without further ado, I think I've already said this in this video, but let's get down right. end of the day. It's like 3 o'clock. We started at what, 11? You know, we probably ground about what, 60% of the boat?
Like a mile worth of.
There's like probably 10 pounds of dust in there. I don't even want to go in here. I'm literally not gonna go in here until it mostly settles down. But oh god, dude, it smells. It's potent. It's not good to be in there. Get out of there. We need to get like a box fan set up. I don't even want to run that heater right now. That
fire.
Yeah, just fireball. We got a lot more grinding to do, but we're in a lot better shape than we have been. And honestly, having this thing, this shelter, it saved us, dude. When we're in there, it's not even, it's like perfectly fine. I'm warm, I'm sweating. You got lights running, you got grinders going on. The only downfall right now is the massive amount of dust that we're just dealing with, and it's wrecking our respirators, it's wrecking our vacuum filters, so, and it's like on our face. So what we're gonna do, and it should be coming today, the rest of it, is I bought a vortex separator. Video about that, maybe not a whole video, but basically what that's gonna do is separate the dust from the air and save us a little bit more. We don't have to dump the vacuum as much, and it should maintain better suction so that we're not going to end up with so much dust coming back in our face. And I kind of want to get a grinder or something that has the vacuum attachment on it. Should be nice. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time on Down the Frame.